Is Arch Linux still relevant in 2026? A deep dive into modern rolling releases. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling one of the most debated questions in the Linux community in 2026. Is Arch Linux still relevant, or has it become a nostalgic relic in the age of immutable distributions like Fedora Silverblue, Vanilla OS, and NixOS? For years, Arch has been called the ultimate rite of passage, a challenging DIY distro that rewards power users with unmatched customization and bleeding edge software. But with atomic read only systems, promising unbreakable stability and easier rollbacks. Does manual configuration via pacman still deliver superior performance and control? Or have automated alternatives finally made the classic rolling release philosophy obsolete for daily drivers? We'll benchmark the realities, look at the real world stability data, hardware support, and user workflows to give you clear, balanced answer. Whether you are a seasoned tinkerer or just curious, stick around. This could change how you think about your next Linux install. First, the Arch ethos versus the immutable rise. Arch Linux embodies the keep it simple stupid, which is KISS philosophy. A lightweight, flexible base where you build the system exactly as you want. No bloat, no preconceptions, just a minimal install and the powerful pacman package manager. In contrast, 2026 has seen a surge in immutable or atomic distros. This threat the core OS as a read-only image, with applications layered on via containers, Flatpak, Distrobox, Toolbox, or declarative configs like Nix. About the promise, fewer it worked yesterday moments, atomic updates, and easy rollbacks to previous system states. The cultural shift is real. Arch was once purely for enthusiasts who loved compiling kernels and tweaking configs. Today, tools like archinstall make setup far more approachable, while immutable options appeal to those who want reliability without constant vigilance. But Arch's DIY approach still attracts developers, gamers, and creators who demand granular control. Now, the speed paradox. Benchmarking pacman in 2026. Pacman remains one of the fastest, most efficient package managers. Its parallel downloads, dependencies resolution, and minimal overhead shine compared to the heavier universal formats. Now, pacman versus Flatpak or Snap. Native Arch packages integrate seamlessly with the system, often using less disk space and RAM. Flatpaks and Snaps offer sandboxing and cross-distro compatibility, but come with the runtime overhead and duplication. Many users combine them, Pacman for core tools, Flatpak for apps like browsers or proprietary software. Now, the AUR advantage. The Arch user repository is a massive strength with over 100,000 community packages. It's often the fastest way to get the absolute latest software or niche tools that aren't in official repos or universal stores. Helpers like YAY or Paru make it straightforward, though it requires some trust and occasional compilation. In raw benchmarks and daily use, a well maintained Arch system often feels snappier, especially for development or gaming, thanks to its lightweight foundation and access to the latest kernels and Mesa drivers. Now, about the stability realities. Auditing the rolling release. The biggest myth that Arch is constantly breaking. In practice, with proper maintenance, many users report years of stable operation. Here are the key practices from the Arch wiki and community. Always check the Arch news page before sudo pacman-syu. Full system upgrades regularly. Avoid partial updates. Use tools like Timeshift or BTRFS snapshots for easy rollbacks. Read the wiki for major transitions. Example, kernel or library changes. Breakage is usually human error or rare upstream issues, not inherent instability. Modern tools like automated snapshots have narrowed the gap with immutables. Rolling releases actually deliver security patches faster than point release distros. Telemetry and user reports in 2025 and 2026 shows well-maintained Arch installs are highly reliable for daily workflows. Now, hardware synergy and the custom kernel edge. Arch excels here in 2026 with the latest kernel 6.18 plus in early ISOs, quickly updating. It offers top-tier support for new hardwares like AMD RDNA4 GPUs and NVIDIA Blackwell, which is RTX 50 series, via open or proprietary drivers. Stripped down Arch environments deliver low latency and better performance on high refresh displays and creative workloads compared to heavier general purpose distros. Custom kernels like Linux Zen and easy module management give power users an edge in gaming, video editing, or AI development. Immutable distros are catching up, but can lag slightly on the absolute bleeding edge without extra layers. Now, the verdict: value versus the friction in modern workflows. Pros of Arch in 2026: ultimate customization and performance. It has excellent hardware support and the latest software. Thriving community and unparalleled documentation. The wiki is legendary. Lightweight and efficient. It's ideal for power users, developers, and gamers. Now, about the cons. Higher maintenance than immutable options. Learning curve for beginners. Potential for issues if you ignore best practices. Now, who should choose Arch? Experienced users who enjoy tailoring their system, need cutting edge tools, or prioritize performance and control. For casual users or those wanting set it and forget it, immutable distros like Fedora Atomic or NixOS with its declarative power may be better. Arch isn't obsolete, it's evolved. The DIY philosophy isn't dead, it's refined. Many find the long-term efficiency and understanding gained from Arch outweigh the initial friction. Now, conclusion. Arch Linux remains highly relevant in 2026 as a blueprint for flexible, high-performance desktop computing. It rewards curiosity and skill without unnecessary complexity. If you are ready to try it, start with the Arch Wiki installation guide or Arch install for a gentler entry. So, what do you think? Team Arch, Immutable fan, or something else? Drop your experience in the comments. Like if this helped, and subscribe for more Linux deep dives. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.